Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by isolating the simplest hardware causes, plug the controller directly into a known working USB port, and use a different cable if needed. Once done, confirm the battery is charged and the controller can run in wired mode. This rules out power issues. Next, close game launchers or remote access tools that might seize input. Make sure to toggle Bluetooth off on the PC while testing wired connectivity, because wireless stacks can interfere with USB enumeration. Now address software. Open Device Manager and uninstall, then reinstall the controller driver so Windows redetects it cleanly. If the manufacturer provides a firmware updater or official app, run it. Firmware fixes connection stability. Also, change USB power management. Open power plan settings and disable selective suspend for USB hubs, set the machine to high performance, and check controller-specific options in Steam Big Picture or the vendor utility. These steps remove sleep and driver-caused dropouts. Finish by verifying which side is faulty. Test the controller on another PC or console. If it works there, focus on your computer. If you rely on Bluetooth, unpair and pair again, or use the vendor USB wireless dongle for a more stable radio link. As a final measure, perform a controller factory reset if available. This can clear corrupted profiles. If problems remain, keep the controller firmware file handy. You may need to reflash using the manufacturer's recovery tool.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.